Hola! It's Abhi and welcome to ABS Sisters. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this air dry polymer clay. So let's get into it. First, you have to take half cup of cornstarch in a non-stick pan or in a container. And then add half cup of glue in it. Always make sure that the ratio of cornstarch and glue is 1 to 1. Then add 1 spoon of vegetable oil. You can use baby oil instead. And then add 1 spoon of lemon juice. And now you have to mix everything together. I'll suggest you to use fork for mixing it because it will help you to avoid lumps. Cook it on medium flame for not more than 2 minutes. Now, before proceeding to this step, you have to apply body lotion or Vaseline to your hands and start kneading it. And you have to knead it very well. And it's done. Hope you liked it, and if you, then do like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.